Good morning to all and welcome to my topic. My name is Amarapriya, studying first year MSc Nursing in Government College of Nursing, Kannur. So, my topic is today library and the hostel services. So, first, library. So, what is the library and what are the physical facilities to be there in the libraries? First, library. The size of the library should be minimum 2400 square feet. It should be easily accessible. It should have seating arrangement for at least 60 students. It should have a good lighting and ventilation. It should have space for stocking and the displaying of our books and journals. So, this is a library. The library should have at least 3000 books, at least 10 sets of books in each subject to facilitate for the students to refer the books. The number of journals should 15, out of which one third shall be foreign journals and subscribed on continuous basis. In library, there should be provision for staff reading room for 10 persons, rooms for librarian and other staff with intercom phone facility, video and cassette, CD room, internet facility. Accommodation and equipment. Library should be conveniently located in as far as possible quiet, attractive surroundings. It should be large enough to permit the proper arrangement of works and to seat approximately half the largest number of students usually admitted to a class. Where space permits, it is preferably to have a reading room annexed where students may study with the minimum of distractions. So, organization of the library. How you organize the library? In this library, who are the committee members? There is librarian, library committee, there is some policies, there is some budget. So, first one is the library. The management of a library requires special knowledge and skills. A full-time or a part-time librarian is needed for the library in a college of nursing. So, what are the functions? Maintaining an up-to-date record of all the library holdings, the number of books, journals, etc. Maintaining an accession register, classifying and cataloging all books, selection of journals, articles with the assistance of nursing staff or cataloging, displaying books and other materials of current interest, keeping sets of periodicals, complete and arrangement for binding, ordering publications as approved by library committee, loaning of publications, maintenance of necessary records, participation in meeting of library committee. That is the functions of the librarian. Second one is a library committee. So, who will be there in the library committee is the membership of the library committee should include the librarian or a staff member, officiating as secretary and a nursing teacher, a student and any other interested members of the staff. So, library committee functions are preparing the initial budget estimate and reviewing them periodically. Selection of new books, selection of magazines for subscription, formulating policies regarding the use of the library, studying and reporting on statistical data on the extent to which the library is being used, encouraging the use of library, determining and reporting on library requirements. So next we'll see the what are the policies of the library. The hours at which the library will be open, this will vary according to the local working hours, but it should be open daily and for all long as possible each day, as long as possible each day. So, the person who may use the library facilities, the kind of books and the journals which will be stocked, the book which may be borrowed and those which must be read in the library, the period for which a book may be borrowed, the action to be taken when books are not returned or on time, the percentage of the budget to be spent on subscriptions to journals, the processes or procedures to be followed in discarding outdated, dirty or brown books, the journals to be bound. That is the policies of a library. Next, budget. A minimum initial outlay of rupees 1,50,000 would help to start a library for a small college with annual recurring budget at least rupees 5 lakhs for 5 years until the library is established. The annual budget should include the purchase of new books, pamphlets, reprints, etc. Subscription to journals, binding of volumes of journals at the end of each year, stationery items, postages, etc. Then we'll see about the organization of material in the library. How we will organize? That is like arrangement, accession, classification, cataloging, borrowing. These are the arrangement. So next one we will see the hostel facilities. What are the hostel facilities? In this hostel facilities, the hostel block should be 60 students, that is 54,470 square feet for a 60 students. There should be separate hostel for the male and the female students. Then hostel facilities. So what will be the hostel facilities? First we'll see about the hostel room. It should be ideal for the 2 students with a minimum of 100 square feet carpet area. The furniture provided should include a cot, a table, a chair, a book rack, a cupboard and a cloth rack for each student. Then toilet and bathrooms. Toilet and bathroom facilities should be provided on each floor of the students' hostel at the rate of 1 toilet and 1 bathroom for 2 to 6 students. Then geyser in bathroom and wash basin should also be provided. Then about the recreation. There should be facilities for indoor and outdoor games. There should be provision for TV, radio and video cassette player. Next is visitors room. There should be a visitors room in the hostel with comfortable seating, lighting and toilet facilities. Is it not? Visitors room is a must and should, because the students will be in anxiety, in a tension with the studies, with the clinicals. Then if there is a visitor room, if anybody visitor want to see the student, they will come and sit in the visitor room and the student can go and talk with them peacefully. Next one is a pantry. One pantry on each floor should be provided. It should have water cooler and heating arrangements. Next one is washing and ironing room. Facilities for drying and ironing clothes should be provided in each floor. So next one is there should be important one, the sick room. A sick room should have a comfortable bed, linen, furniture and attached toilet. Minimum of 5 beds should be provided. Room for night duty nurses should be in a light area. Guest room. A guest room should be made available. Kitchen and dining hall. There should be a hygienic kitchen and dining hall to seat at least 80% of the total students' strength at one time with an adequate tables, chairs, water coolers, refrigerators and heating facilities. Hand washing facilities must be provided. Then warden room. Warden should be provided with a separate office room besides her residential accommodation. Next one is a canteen. There should be provision for a canteen for the students, their guests and all other staff members. Then transport. College should have separate transport facilities under the control of the principal. 50-seater buses preferable. Next about the residential accommodation. Residential family accommodation for faculty should be provided according to their marital status. Telephone facility for the principal at her residence must be provided. So residential accommodation with all facilities is to be provided to the hostel warden also. And crèches, there should be crèche in the college campus. Then again this should also be there. Common room, reading room, guest room, drying room and dormitory. Then next you will see the staff for the hostel. Who are the staff should be there in the hostel? Warden. Female warden 3. The qualification of the warden is BSc Home Science or diploma in housekeeping or diploma in catering. Next one is minimum 3 wardens must be there in every hostel for morning, evening and night shift. If number of students are more than 150, one more warden or assistant warden, housekeeper for every additional 50 students. So cook for every 20 students for each shift. Kitchen and dining room helper 1 for 20 students for each shift. For 20 students there should be helper. Then 3 sweepers. Then 2 gardeners. Then security guard, chowkidar 3 for 3 shifts. Thank you. This is about my topic.